Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of half face image which is going trending in Instagram. So I will show you how to generate this type of images. So open ChatGPT. So this prompt work nice in ChatGPT. So upload your image and you have to paste this prompt. So once you will paste this prompt, you will see how the image is generated. And for a girl one, you have to upload your image and paste this prompt, and you can see how the image is generated. So how to get a prompt? Either you can go to my Instagram account and comment in this post. You can see the eyes one as a boy or a girl, whichever you want. You can comment that, or the best, go to my Telegram channel. This is High Tech Talk. You can directly copy paste from here. So this is the prompt is little big, so it will be easy for you to copy and paste it from here. So this is my Telegram channel. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.